Be honest, the last time a mosquito buzzed near your ear, you probably just waved it away, right? But here's the scary twist. That tiny mosquito can carry a virus that literally makes your brain swell. Sounds like a horror movie, but it's real life. And here's the kicker. 3 out of every 5 new diseases worldwide come from animals. COVID, zoonotic. The Nipah outbreaks in Asia, zoonotic. Ebola in Africa, zoonotic. And even bird flu in the US cattle this year, also zoonotic. So the big question is, could the next pandemic begin in your backyard? Before we panic, let's decode this.
Zoonotic sounds like a complicated word, but it simply means diseases that jump from animals to humans.
Think of it like a group chat you never asked to join, except this one spreads faster than gossip at a wedding. Examples? Viral ones like COVID, rabies, or West Nile. Bacterial ones like salmonella or leptospirosis. Parasitic ones like toxoplasmosis.
How do they spread? Simple. Direct contact, contaminated food or water, or even the environment.
Remember swine flu? Bird flu? Yep, zoonotic. Bottom line, whenever you hear about a mysterious outbreak, odds are it started with animals. And here's where it gets interesting. Globally. Across the world, zoonotic outbreaks pop up everywhere.
In the US, West Nile virus hits hundreds every year, and 500,000 Americans deals with the Lyme disease annually.
In Asia, Nipah virus outbreaks in India and Bangladesh regularly make headlines, linked to fruit bats.
In Africa, Ebola has jumped from animals to humans multiple times, causing deadly epidemics.
And in Europe, the 2022 bird flu outbreak forced the culling of over 50 million birds. So why is the world such a hotspot? Because we tick all the wrong boxes. High population density, industrial farming and livestock markets, urban sprawl eating into forests, and yes, climate change, making mosquitoes and ticks thrive in new regions.
Basically, the more we disturb ecosystems, the easier it gets for viruses to leap into humans. But let's zoom out even more. Honestly, because we humans are experts at creating perfect storm conditions.
We cut down forests to build resorts, then freak out when wild animals wander into our neighborhoods. We crammed thousands of chickens into factory farms, then act surprised when bird flu spreads. And viruses? They mutate faster than TikTok trends. Think of it like building the perfect pizza. Dough, sauce, cheese, toppings. Except instead of flavor, we're creating the perfect recipe for pandemics.
One infected bat, one pig farm, one traveler boarding a plane. Boom! That's literally how COVID went global. Scary, yes. But here's the good news.
Experts use the term One Health, the idea that human health, animal health, and the environment are inseparable. And slowly, the world is catching on. The WHO has a global One Health strategy. The CDC runs a dedicated One Health office. The EU has strict monitoring systems for farms and food safety. And research labs worldwide are racing to develop vaccines faster than ever before. But prevention is still the key. Stronger surveillance, better wildlife monitoring, and quicker response times matter way more than waiting for the next lockdown.
Because prevention is always cheaper and way less traumatic than another global pandemic. So, will the next pandemic come from a pig farm in China, a cow in Texas, or a bat in Africa? Nobody knows. What we do know is this. Zoonotic disease prove that the world is completely interconnected. A virus that starts in one remote village today could reach your city tomorrow. If COVID taught us anything, it's this. Prevention today saves millions tomorrow. So the real question is, are we ready? If this made you think, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe. Because the more we understand, the better chance we have of stopping the next big one.